It's time to begin our program. I would like to invite my friend to present the special program on self-discipline. First seat at school. Good morning, students. Did you learn the lesson which I taught you yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Today I will give you a homework. You will complete it without fail.
Okay, ma'am.
See you tomorrow. Second scene at home. Brother, I don't want to do the homework. I hate. How can I escape from that? I have an idea. You see what I will do. Okay, I will do that. Mother, Anusita is having a fever. What happened? What happened to you? Mom, I'm having fever. Wait, I will bring medicine for you. Take this medicine. You take rest. I will go market and come back soon. Brother, my stomach is paining severely. Don't worry. I am having a solution for this too. Have it. A few days before, when Grandpa had stomach pain, he too had the same yellow medicine. Brother, I am having serious stomachache. What? I bring another medicine from Grandpa medicine box. Raghav, what are you doing? You should not take medicines without illness. It will damage your body. Okay, Grandpa. Brother, my stomach is paining severely. All this happened because of me. I shouldn't make excuses of your illness. Grandpa was right. We shouldn't take any medicine without any illness. Why are you crying? Grandpa, Anusita wants to escape from homework. I told Mother that she is having a fever. Mother gave her a medicine for fever. Due to the medicine of fever, her stomach started paining. Then I bring the yellow tablet from your medicine box. Because of that, her stomach pain increased. Then I bring the pink color medicine from your medicine box. Now she is in a worse condition. Okay, I will call doctor. Doctor, please come immediately. What happened? Why did you call me? My son has stomach pain. Okay, I will put injection for you. No, I don't want. Okay, you should not repeat this again.
Okay, Grandpa.
Okay, Grandpa, we will not repeat this again.
What happened? Why a doctor is here?
Mother, actually, Anusita is not having a fever. She wants to escape from homework. That's why I told that she is having a fever. Due to the medicine of fever, her stomach started paining. That's why Grandpa called the doctors.
You don't try to escape from your studies.
Okay, Mother, we will not repeat this again.
If we do not discipline ourselves, the world will do it for us.
Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing.
It is the bridge between goals and accomplishment.
Self-discipline brings with the majesty of your thoughts. If you don't control what you think, you can control what you do.
A disciplined mind leads to happiness, and an undisciplined mind leads to suffering.
Self-discipline creates a brighter tomorrow.
Self-discipline is a great time saver. It is the ability to make yourself work on only those things that are most important to you.